The kitten was happily playing in the forest and catching butterflies.
Such a beautiful butterfly. I'm gonna catch you.
Oh no! The kitten tried to catch a butterfly, but knocked a beehive off a tree.
Please don't touch me.
A swarm of bees followed the kitten all the way to the shore. Oh no, poor kitten! Leave him alone! Luckily, the kind mermaid chased away the bees and went underwater in search of herbs to help the kitten. The mermaid applied a healing potion to the kitten, and he immediately felt better.
Thank you for saving me.
Bye-bye, kitten.
Bye-bye, mermaid. Wow, a butterfly.